Here we have an example where we want to multiply the two complex numbers, and we have one complex number z1 which is equal to 5 minus iota and z2 equal to 9 minus 3 iota. And I want to multiply these two complex numbers. Let's do the multiplication. So we have z1 times z2, that will be equal to 5 minus iota times 9 minus 3 iota. So here is a very simple trick. Just multiply 5 by 9 minus 3 iota, so that will be equal to 5 times 9 minus 3 iota and minus iota times 9 minus 3 iota. Now open the brackets. 5 times 9 is 45. 5 times 3 is 15 iota. 9 times iota is minus 9 iota, and iota times minus 3 iota is plus 3 iota square. We have these two complex numbers. We can simply add them. 40, 15 and 9 becomes 24 iota. We know the concept of iota square, that is equal to minus 1, so just substitute minus 1 for that, and we have got 45 minus 24 iota and minus 3. So in the form of a plus b iota, we have got the answer of 42 minus 24 iota.